In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a feature request tracking system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable structure you can use to capture requests, evaluate them, and move them all the way through to completion. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, we'll build a dedicated home for all feature requests so they don't get scattered across different teams or projects. Create a new space and name it Feature Requests. A space is your top-level container in ClickUp, perfect for keeping everything related to this workflow in one place. When setting it up, make sure lists are enabled. Lists will help you track incoming requests efficiently and keep things organized by stage. Inside that space, create folders to categorize the types of requests you receive. For most teams, folders like product features, app enhancements, and UX/UI improvements work well. Clear categories make it easier to route requests to the right stakeholders and reduce confusion later. Quick note before we continue. If you need ClickUp, you'll find a link to the website and desktop downloads right at the top of the description. Use that to sign up or grab the app so you can follow along. Next, set up lists inside each folder to represent your workflow stages. Create lists for new requests, under review, approved, in development, and completed. Think of these as your lifecycle lanes. New requests collects everything incoming. Under review is where you evaluate ideas. Approved marks what's greenlit. In development tracks active work, and completed houses finished features. Keeping these consistent across folders prevents bottlenecks. Now, add tasks for each individual feature request. Examples might include add dark mode, improve search functionality, or integrate payment gateway. In each task, use the description to capture context, user pain points, and any relevant links or mockups so the team understands what's being asked. To make your tasks actionable and searchable, add custom fields like requester name, priority, expected impact, status, and deadline. These fields let you filter, sort, and report on requests, and they're incredibly helpful when you need to align priorities across teams. Set task statuses to mirror your process. Use statuses such as new, reviewing, approved, in progress, and completed to reflect where each request stands. These statuses, combined with your lists, give you both a high-level and detailed view of progress. Finally, monitor and prioritize requests using ClickUp's board, list, or dashboard views. Boards are great for visual flow, lists excel at sortable details, and dashboards pull everything together for quick reporting. Use filters and sorting by priority or deadline to make sure nothing gets missed. That's it! You now have a ClickUp system to track and organize feature requests efficiently for your product or service. Thanks for watching.